Welcome to our presentation on secure, fast, and compliant consultant onboarding with Azure Virtual Desktop. In this session, we explore how Azure Virtual Desktop enables organizations to streamline consultant access, ensuring security and compliance while addressing traditional onboarding challenges. We'll also introduce the SafariDesktops managed service solution. Here's what we'll cover: the business risks and challenges of traditional consultant onboarding, an overview of the SafariDesktops solution and service model, key benefits for organizations, technical architecture and security controls, business and compliance advantages, real-world use cases, expert support versus DIY Azure Virtual Desktop, and next steps. Traditional consultant onboarding poses several risks, including security and compliance concerns with physical device provisioning, cost and productivity losses due to device delays or loss, limitations of personal devices regarding regulatory requirements, and significant logistical, financial, and operational burdens. Shipping company laptops to remote workers can cause delays, high costs, and increased security risks. Lost or stolen devices contribute to billions in annual losses and rising insurance premiums. Additionally, lost devices are a major cause of data breaches, and compliance standards demand secure, managed environments. Using personal computers for work often fails to meet these regulatory requirements. SafariDesktops provides immediate, secure remote access to full Windows desktops from any device, eliminating the need to ship physical laptops. Security is enhanced with multi-factor authentication and secure networking. All data remains in secure cloud data centers, reducing the risk of data loss and compliance violations, while organizations can provision desktops in hours for consultants worldwide. Windows 11 Enterprise Multi-Session enables multiple users to access full personal desktops on a single Azure VM. Microsoft 365 apps are optimized for virtual desktops, supporting high-quality Teams collaboration. Centralized management ensures compliance, while a fixed monthly pricing model and automated Azure scaling provide cost efficiency and flexibility. Shipping laptops internationally often leads to delays, higher costs, and security risks. Provisioning hardware involves device costs, imaging, shipping, insurance, and potential losses. Managing distributed laptops increases IT workload and raises compliance challenges, making it difficult to enforce data regulations and protect sensitive information. SafariDesktops offers a managed desktop-as-a-service solution, featuring user-friendly deployment, device flexibility for remote access, multi-session efficiency within Azure Virtual Desktop, and comprehensive managed service operations, monitoring, and support. SafariDesktops delivers a full Windows desktop experience from the cloud to any device as a subscription service. Safari Micro's certified engineers handle design, deployment, and management within an isolated Azure environment, ensuring security, compliance, and seamless integration with organizational identity systems like Microsoft Entra ID. SafariDesktops enables users to connect from any device or browser with internet access. Each user receives a secure Windows 11 desktop hosted in Azure, offering high-speed performance, Microsoft 365 integration, and support for peripherals like monitors and printers, all controlled by organizational policies. Azure Virtual Desktop allows multiple isolated user sessions on a single Windows 11 VM, reducing costs through resource sharing. Automated autoscale policies adjust VM capacity, and experts tailor resource allocation for optimal performance and efficiency. Safari Micro provides 24/7 monitoring, maintenance, and support, including updates, backups, and proactive issue resolution. The infrastructure is scalable and subscription-based, offering predictable costs and optimized performance without surprise charges. SafariDesktops enables rapid onboarding and global workforce agility, improves security and compliance, and ensures predictable costs and operational efficiency for organizations. With SafariDesktops, new consultants can access secure desktops remotely within hours, eliminating shipping delays. Data remains in the cloud, and the environment is fully maintained by specialists, reducing IT staff workload. SafariDesktops offers predictable costs and a lower total cost of ownership. Built on Azure Virtual Desktop, it provides robust security, compliance, and seamless integration with Microsoft applications. The technical architecture of SafariDesktops ensures default security and compliance, supporting efficient operations, predictable costs, and streamlined business performance. SafariDesktops incorporates Azure Virtual Desktop reference architecture, identity integration, FSLogix profile management, network isolation, endpoint security, security monitoring, compliance certifications, data encryption, operational security, and centralized management to align with compliance requirements. Microsoft manages the Azure control plane, while Safari Micro deploys and manages host pools and network integration. Users authenticate via Entra ID with MFA, and connections use reverse connect technology, eliminating open inbound ports. Network security groups and Azure Firewall enforce strict access control. Session hosts can join either traditional Active Directory or Microsoft Entra domain services. FSLogix manages user profiles with encrypted containers on Azure files, ensuring seamless access and single sign-on across session hosts. Azure Virtual Networks are isolated with firewalls and private links, preventing public RDP exposure. Users connect securely via Azure gateways, and policies restrict data copying, printing, and enable features like screen capture protection to reduce data leakage risks. SafariDesktops virtual desktops use active antivirus and real-time threat detection, inherit global compliance certifications like ISO and HIPAA, and are built on CIS-hardened Windows images. Logs and alerts integrate with CM tools for unified monitoring and auditing. All network traffic is encrypted, and data at rest uses Azure storage and disk encryption. Strict operational controls like just-in-time admin access and infrastructure as code changes improve security. SafariDesktops regularly integrates new Microsoft security features. By centralizing desktops in the cloud, no sensitive data remains on endpoints, reducing data loss risk. Granular policies protect data during sessions, while Azure's architecture and centralized management simplify compliance and auditing. Adopting virtual desktops delivers instant onboarding, scalability, business continuity, cost savings, enhanced security, simplified compliance, centralized management, and disaster recovery capabilities. SafariDesktops enables provisioning virtual desktops within hours, granting immediate access for consultants worldwide. IT resources scale elastically, supporting rapid workforce changes and ensuring business continuity during events like mergers. Cloud desktops reduce hardware and support costs, offering predictable subscription pricing. Existing Microsoft licenses are optimized, and the risk of hardware loss is eliminated, resulting in a lower total cost of ownership. No corporate data is stored locally, minimizing risks from device loss. Centralized management ensures consistent updates and security, with fine-grained access control and a zero-trust model keeping data secure in the cloud. Virtual desktops support GDPR, HIPAA, PCI-DSS, FedRAMP, and CMMC compliance by restricting data residency, providing encryption and access controls, and segmenting sensitive environments, making audits and compliance management more straightforward. Centralized deployment and updates ensure software consistency, while high-performance virtual desktops enhance productivity. IT can remotely troubleshoot, and cloud hosting enables disaster recovery and business continuity, regardless of device failures. SafariDesktops supports immediate international consultant onboarding, secure project collaboration with external partners, rapid team scaling during mergers, and enables BYOD and remote work in regulated environments. SafariDesktops provisions virtual desktops quickly for international consultants, allowing seamless remote access to tools and data. Security is enhanced through MFA and restricted data access, reducing onboarding time and costs. SafariDesktops creates secure virtual workspaces for external consultants, enforcing data protection policies and monitored access. This allows partners to collaborate remotely on sensitive projects without compromising data security. Virtual desktops enable new employees to be productive on day one after a merger or acquisition. Security is maintained, IT scaling is flexible, and collaboration is enhanced, ensuring smooth integration and cost control. SafariDesktops supports secure BYOD and remote work in regulated industries with lockdown desktops, HIPAA compliance measures, and centralized IT management, allowing employees to use personal devices securely while protecting sensitive data. SafariDesktops offers expert managed service and support, providing significant advantages over DIY Azure Virtual Desktop deployments. Azure-certified engineers deliver continuous monitoring and best practices, freeing IT teams to focus on strategic work. The service integrates with IT and security processes, offering transparency and a proactive partner approach. DIY Azure Virtual Desktop deployments require significant expertise and carry the risk of costly mistakes. SafariDesktops offers faster deployment, enhanced features, integrated support, and enterprise-grade service with SLAs and automation. To transform your onboarding and remote workforce enablement, consider engaging Safari Micro for consultation and deployment. Discover the strategic benefits of Desktop as a Service for your organization. Safari Micro customizes Desktop as a Service deployments to fit your workforce needs, offering rapid onboarding and secure access. Contact us for personalized demonstrations, trial environments, and to learn about industry-specific success stories. SafariDesktops and Safari Micro deliver secure, efficient remote work solutions that empower your workforce and align IT with business goals. Adopt a cloud-first approach to modernize your end-user computing and transform remote workforce enablement into a strategic asset. Azure Virtual Desktop and SafariDesktops provide a robust platform for secure, efficient, and compliant consultant onboarding, enabling organizations to overcome traditional challenges and accelerate workforce agility.